Hello friends, welcome to Bearcat Coding. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find the smallest number amongst three numbers in C programming language. So let's begin. First, we'll write a header file which is include stdio.attach and then the main function, and from here we'll write our program. So first we'll declare three variables n1, n2 and n3, and then we'll print the message to enter three numbers, and then we'll store these numbers in %d, %d, %d in ampersand n1, ampersand n2 and ampersand n3. So we have taken the input. Now we'll put the condition. So if n1 is less than equals to n2 and n1 is less than equals to n3, then we'll print %d is the smallest number, and in the place of %d we'll print n1. Then in else if we'll write our second condition. If n2 is less than equals to n1 and n2 is less than equals to n3, then we'll print %d is the smallest number, and here we'll write n2. And in the else part, we know that we don't have to give any condition, so simply we'll write the print f and the message, which is %d is the smallest number, and here we'll put n3, and in the end we'll write return 0. So let's summarize what we are doing in this program. So first we are declaring three variables called n1, n2 and n3, and then we are printing the message, which is enter three numbers, because we are going to take three numbers from the user and we have to store those three numbers somewhere. So we are storing in n1, n2 and n3, and then we are checking whether the first number is smallest than the other two, and for that we are doing n1 is less than equals to n2, and we are using AND operator because we want both the conditions to be true. So n1 is less than equals to n2 and n1 is less than equals to n3. So if both the conditions will be true, we'll print this message, which is %d is the smallest number, and we'll print n1 there. And in the else if part, we'll checking the second number. Similarly, we just like we have done in the first condition, we are checking the second number, which is n2 is less than equals to n1 and n2 is less than equals to n3, which means when n2 is less than both the numbers, which are n1 and n3, then we'll print what? We'll print this message, that n2 is the smallest of all, smallest number. And in the else part, we don't have to give any condition. So simply if the first two conditions will be false or will be not true, then automatically we'll print the third number, which is n3. So now let's run it and check it whether it is working fine or not. So we got our message, and now we'll type 8, 9 and minus 22. So minus 22 is the smallest number. Let's run it again and see. So 85, 96 and 112. So 85 is the smallest number, which means our program is working fine. So hope you all find it helpful. Like this video, comment down your queries or questions, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Veracat Coding. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.